Hello YouTube family and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever made a dip or anything to watch TV or to go to a party and you realize that, oh my gosh, I don't have any chips? Well, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to solve that problem. I'm Dawn and I'm living the Newcomb life. I'm going to show you how to take a tortilla that you probably have around your house, because we all have them for tacos, for wraps in our house. These are regular tortillas, but I also have low carb tortillas in my house. And the advantage to that is we can make some low carb chips to go with any kind of dip and save on the carbs. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take I'm going to go ahead and use the low carb ones today. We're going to take a couple of these out of the package and we're going to fry these up. I have some avocado oil warming in my pot here. We're going to cut these up and we're going to drop them in our oil. So what we can do is we can stack up our tortillas. We want to cut these into triangles, but honestly, you can make them any shape that you want. This is just a pizza cutter. And we're going to cut these in half and in half again. And then we'll just keep going down until we get to a size chip that we think that we would want. And they don't have to be perfect. They taste delicious no matter what we do. Okay, so we're gonna test our oil to see if it's hot enough. We're gonna use a little splash of water. So I'm just getting a little water on my hands. And I am just sprinkling it into the pot. Watch. If it does that, it's hot. Okay, so then we're going to start putting in our tortilla. It's only gonna take about 30 seconds on each side, or I guess until it's as brown as you prefer it to be. And then you just take them and flip them over. Like I said, it's about 30 seconds on each side. So I'm just going to put a paper towel on the lid of my pot here, and I'm going to take them out and sit them on the paper towel for the oil to dry. And you can see they're getting nice and brown. When you bring them out of the oil, you can sprinkle them with salt and pepper. You can sprinkle them with garlic powder. You can sprinkle them with ranch powder. You can put Old Bay on them. I guess it all depends on what kind of dip you're gonna dip them in. So we're gonna pull these off. Put these on my lid. We're gonna let these rest for a few minutes. They look delicious. We'll put a little bit of salt. And we're gonna let those cool for a bit. I'm gonna throw in another batch. But it's about I would say 30 seconds to a minute on each side. You could also put these in your air fryer. I would spray them with some oil on one side and then put them in your air fryer basket. I honestly don't know how long, but I would assume just keep an eye on them. Make sure that they're getting the brown color that you prefer them to be. You may have to flip them. And then when you pull them out, just salt them or put on them some kind of seasoning that you prefer. So guys, if you like this and want a dip to use with these, check out our buffalo chicken dip video. It's awesome with these chips. So we also have a hot artichoke dip video, and Jerry will link those for you guys if you want to go check those out. We'll let these cool for a few minutes. So here are our chips. I think it's time for a taste test.
Did somebody say taste test?
Check these out. Yeah.
Wow.
You hear that, guys?
Holy moly. Wow. They're really light?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very flavorful, huh? And they don't, all they have on them is salt. But they're still very flavorful.
A lot of flavor. Really crispy. I think we need to try this on a dip soon.
Yeah.
All right, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.